Model, 68-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Blue 2.0 Hdi Luton low loader box van needs head gasket no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118273. Engine, 1997 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts, runs and drives fine, but the coolant is pressurizing so the head gasket will need replacing. Mechanically everything else is very good. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,325 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,